Yes, Gaita means everything, because without a group of Gaita, you don't feel like it's Christmas here in Aruba.
Yuka is referring to this. The big ensemble in purple you see in this clip is Gaita. Gaita is a holiday musical tradition and rhythm that Aruba adopted from Venezuela. Many musicians and families on this island feel the music of Gaita is synonymous to the Christmas season. Yuka says Aruba proudly adopted the tradition from Venezuela, and it has certainly become part of the island. With songs being in Papiamento and the lyrics describing what the holiday celebration looks like on this island of Aruba, Gaita embodies a lot of what Christmas is like right here.
And for us, it means everything, because it's most like Christmas songs. We have also the lyrics in Papiamento that are of the joy, bringing happiness. It's about eating, the food that we eat, the celebration that we have here in Aruba, and also you have more like for the baby Jesus that is coming, and yes, that's, so it's like everything.
Since the age of 6 years old, Yuka has been involved with Gaita. It's a family affair in her case. Yuka would argue if there's no Gaita, then the holidays would definitely not be the same at all to her and to her musicians and bandmates.
I used to live in the Netherlands like for 4 years, and it was really hard because I didn't have the Gaita, I didn't have the group, I didn't have the Ayaca, you know, we have everything, like it's from Venezuela, but we took it over and it's like ours right now here in Aruba. So like the food, my family, and I really miss the music of Gaita, so it was really hard.
The feeling of Gaita brings unity, and the feeling plus energy the music brings during this time of year is infectious.
My favorite thing about Gaita is when we come together as one group and we bring the joy, the happiness, the positivity, the good vibe and energy. Through your music, you can give it to the people, and you will see the people also getting together or coming together, and with their children, with their family, and to see the group of Gaita. And it's beautiful to see everybody coming together and singing along also. That's a beautiful thing that Gaita brings us together, like the Arubian people.
Yuka said there used to be many more Gaita groups, and now there are only a handful. So she urges the community to keep loving the rhythm and music in order to keep it alive.
But yeah, we have to maintain it, so yeah, it's ours.